Good afternoon. Thank you for calling Sunset City Hotel. My name is Anna. How may I help you today?
Hi, Anna. I'm planning a short trip to your city, and I'd like to book a room. I'm thinking of staying 2 or 3 nights, but I'm not completely sure yet.
That's no problem at all. Could you please tell me your arrival date?
Yes, I will arrive on Friday, March 14th. I'll probably leave on Sunday, but I might stay until Monday if I like the city.
All right, let me check the rooms available for those dates. We have single rooms, double rooms, and a few superior rooms with a small balcony. Are you traveling alone?
Yes, I'm alone. A single room is okay, but I prefer a bit more space. Maybe a double room or a superior room depending on the price.
Sure. A double room is $60 per night. A superior room is $75 per night, and it includes a balcony and a small sofa area.
Both options sound nice. Do they include breakfast?
Yes, both include breakfast. Breakfast is served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. on weekdays and from 7 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. on weekends.
Great. Do the rooms have Wi-Fi?
Yes, we offer free Wi-Fi in all rooms and the connection is quite fast. We also have a small gym, free for all guests.
Perfect. And what about the view? I prefer a room with a city view, not a view of the parking lot.
Of course, both the double room and superior room with city view are available on the 6th floor.
Nice. I like higher floors. Also, one question. Is there airport transportation?
Yes, we offer airport pickup for $15, but only if you reserve it at least 24 hours in advance. A taxi usually costs between $10 and $12.
Okay. I'll probably take a taxi. Do I need to pay now?
No, you can pay when you arrive. We accept cash, credit card, and online payment. We only need your name and a contact number or email to confirm the booking.
Sure. My full name is Daniel Thomas, and my phone number is +15553294821. My email is daniel.thomas@mail.com.
Thank you, Mr. Thomas. Before I confirm, would you like the double room or the superior room?
Let's take the double room for now. But if the superior room is available when I arrive, I might upgrade.
That's completely fine. You can upgrade at the reception if there is availability.
Perfect. And what time is check-in and check-out?
Check-in starts at 2 p.m., and checkout is before 11 a.m. If you need a late checkout, you can request it for a small fee.
Okay, that's good to know. One more question. Do you have free parking?
Yes, parking is free for hotel guests, and you don't need to make a reservation.
Excellent. Everything sounds good. Please book the double room with city view for the nights of March 14th and 15th. I will decide about the third night later.
All right. Your room is now booked. We look forward to welcoming you, Mr. Thomas.
Thank you very much, Anna. You've been very helpful.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye.
You have a minute to check your answers.